up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this week, I'm going to show you how to make a really cool and innovative ultra vegan sushi, if you can call it that. Hopefully you were intrigued by the thumbnail. And let me just tell y'all, it's popping. I liked it, my sister liked it, and I hope that you like it. So, I'm going to try to keep the intro short and let's get to it. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, so what you want to do first is make your sushi rice. You can do it in a rice cooker like me, or you can do it on the stovetop. So your water to rice ratio is going to be a little bit less than what you're used to, but that's because we're adding vinegar. So normally you'd use rice vinegar, but I didn't have any, so I used, a little apple cider. We're gonna add some sugar, a little bit of salt, and a pro tip would be to add maybe a half a teaspoon of some oil. So go ahead and let your rice do its thing. Moving on to the cucumber. So I'm just gonna cut my cucumber in half to make it easier to work with, and then I'm going to gut the cucumber. Pro tip is you want to make sure that you leave a good border of the cucumber so it's not like super hollow, and you'll see why in just a little bit. But I'm learning, so here's my super hollow cucumbers. We gonna keep moving. We're stuffing with bell peppers, carrots, and avocado, and rice. So here's the rice. I am just packing it in there and then smoothing it with a butter knife. And then you just continue to add each ingredient. And another pro tip is you want to try to make sure that the cucumber is packed, especially since we don't have that additional border to help keep all our ingredients in. Like I said, you want to make sure that the cucumber is stuffed. All right, finally full. So here's what happens if you don't, stuff the cucumber. It makes it harder for your ingredients to stay in, and you'll have to do this step, which is taking a little extra avocado and rice and then stuffing it after the fact. But what it will give you is a nice, full, super vegan sushi roll like you see here. And then I just paired mine with some sriracha mayo and a little bit of soy sauce. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below.